In this video, we'll show you how to make the dinette into a bed. It's very easy. All you're going to do, there's a lever right here. You're going to take it and swing it over. And you just push down. You're going to push this out of the way. And then just push it on down. And then we have this that's underneath the master bed in the storage. You just slip it in, and there you go. It's a beautiful bed. Should work for maybe one adult or two kids very easily. So now we're going to unmake it and put it back the way it was. All we're going to do is lift on it, bring it back up, put our lever back and lock it in, and we're finished. To unlatch the bed takes two hands. You're going to lift up, pull this out, and then reach up and pull it down. Once you have it pulled down, you just grab here and pull, and it lays out to a very nice bed for two kids, or at least one large adult. And it will hold about 350 pounds. To put it back, it's basically the same way. You're going to lift it up, grab the bottom, pull out, lift it all the way up, then pull it in and latch it behind the latch right there. To make this into a bed, it's really very easy. All we will do is grab underneath, you lift up, you pull it out, and you push it down. And there you have a good bed, either for one large adult or again one adult and maybe two children. To put it back, you're just going to lift up and push it in and set it down, and you're ready to go. All the rest of the bedding is going to be back in the master bedroom underneath the bed. You just lift it up. You can see that's where the storage is for the other cushion on the dinette, and then all of the linens and blankets, pillows, everything else will be under here. And then you just push down on it, close it.